All right, so that's I just talked to an employee here at Home Depot, and yeah, so is that what you guys are saying? Because if you are, I might start getting on board with this. But right now, and I'm sharing these deals with you guys who are doing this type of return deal. So for $199, you get the two 5 amperage hour batteries, charger and bag. Then you get the third battery for free, right? You return that for $149, a 5 amperage hour battery, $149. You're telling me you get that set for $50? Is that what I'm understanding? You get that? Or look, let's look at this one. $399, right? You get two 5 amperage hour batteries. You get your brushless hammer drill, impact driver kit, right? You get the charger, two 5 ampere hour batteries, brushless hammer drill, impact driver kit, right? All of that for $399. But guess what? You get two things for free over here. If that's correct, you all tell me once you see this video. You can get two 5 amperage hour batteries. So you come down here, you return these two, that's $300. You're telling me you get this whole kit for $99? You know I'm about to try it out if this is true. You guys comment below. Let me know if that's in fact the case, or if I'm understanding or misunderstanding how it works. But right now, $399 for this set. You get two free batteries or tools, whatever. It doesn't matter. Any one of these, you get tools. Let's see if you get even more back if you get that 6.5 inch circular saw. Let's see, 6.5 inch circular saw. Is it here? Yes. It's only $119. So what other thing you get for free here? Let's see which one's it's the battery that's the most expensive. You bring these two batteries back, you're telling me you're gonna get $300 off of that kit, and now you got this whole set for $99 or whatever, $101. I mean, if that's the case, I'm shopping. I'm buying stuff. So you all tell me if that is in fact the case, and we'll go from there. Or are you guys telling me, for example, it looks like DeWalt doing the same deal over here. You're telling me you can get this $399 atomic 20 volt with two amperage hour batteries for $399, and you get two free of anything here. You can get two of those 5 amperage hour batteries, which are going for $99 a piece. So you can take $198 off of that $399, and you get 4 tools, with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. Yeah, I'm just trying to understand this, because that's a sweet deal if that's the case. Let's see, is Milwaukee doing the same thing? Are you all giving us free batteries, Milwaukee? Okay, so this one's sold out. But are you telling me for $399, right? You get the 2 tool, half-inch hammer drill, hex impact driver, 2 5 amperage hour batteries for $399. Okay, with the $399 one, you get 1 free battery, but whatever. Let's see what the 5 amperage hour battery is. $149. So you're telling me you get that set for $250 right there? That's what you're telling me, because you return the battery? Let's just look at this $599 one, all right? 4 tools for $599. You get 2 5 amperage hour batteries, $599 right there. You get 2 of these batteries, which is $300. So you're telling me you get 4 tools by Milwaukee, $863 value. You get $300 off of that. You're saying for $299, I get 4 tools, 3 tools, because one's a flashlight, and 2 5 amperage hour batteries. If that's the case, once again, y'all, you should have told me about this sooner. I'm gonna approach this whole situation a little differently now. Makita is the deal right now. If I can get this deal right here, $399 minus $300, you're saying I can get that set for $99 when it's all said and done? Let me know. I'm very curious. I know I saw some things on VCG construction and what they were talking about, but I wasn't sure exactly how it worked. So anyway, you all let me know. This is pretty interesting. But like I said, I'm gonna do some shopping if that's the case. I might try with one to see if it works, and then I'll definitely share that with you guys. All right, a few quick deals here at Home Depot that I want to show you guys. $39.98 for Bosch's 30-foot self-leveling cross-line laser, or the 165-foot laser measure with auto square footage. $39.98. This deal right here, steel drill and driver bit set with the right angle attachment right there, comes in with that set $14.88, you guys. 35 pieces, right angle attachment. The best deal that you can get right now as far as bits. You get the right, anyway, you get that included. Can't beat that. Sorry, DeWalt, didn't mean to knock you down like that. There you go, we'll put you back. And then DeWalt's knives, pretty sweet deal. You get 2 knives, pocket knives, for $14.88. One has a spring assist, which is pretty sweet. It's right there. And then one's a flip assist, easy flip. Man, I keep seeing these, and I really probably will get, I don't know, I got my own pocket knife right there, just sitting right there, CRKT. But anyway, that's a sweet deal for those knives. All right, of course, Ridgid has a special buy going on right now. You get 3 2 amperage hour batteries. You get 7-piece 18-volt tools. You also get the carrying case or the toolbox that's part of its 3 tool stackable boxes right here with case, $3.99. $890 value. That's crazy. It's a good deal. Basically, it's a mini shop in a box. You get your radio, you got your music, you got your sander. Clean up your mess with the vacuum and you're good to go. And you get 3 2 amperage hour batteries, normally getting 2 with the set. Or you got their Ridgid 10-inch job site table saw, dropping $200 for y'all from $549 to $349 right there. Let's see if they got the model numbers. R4514. The model number for this combo set is R9257SB. And then you have this guy dropping $50 for you. The Ridgid 12-inch sliding miter saw down to $349. That's the R4222. Here's a pretty sweet deal. You get a battery, a charger, a bag. You get the drill driver. So 500 pounds of torque. 18-volt 2-speed drill driver, right? You get the lifetime service agreement. Dropped to $20 for y'all. You get the battery. This thing's good to go. And then they're not here because they're all bought up. 2-pack 4 amperage hour batteries for $79. I showed you guys that deal online. Okay, that's pretty much it. One of the best deals right now is a free children's build kit. Pretty sweet. You can build a battleship. I think it's got a few different options. Anyway, they're for free. This is an ornament. Build an ornament. Anyway, if you're looking for something to be able to build together with some of your children or friends, right here, free battleship kit where you guys can assemble it together. Pretty sweet deal from Home Depot.